So use connectors in between when you are talking about the same thing and you are adding different ideas into it. Use words like firstly, secondly, thirdly, okay,
Okay.
additionally. So think in English. If you are not able to think exactly, sometimes happen you have that some sentence in your mind or some idea in your mind and you're trying to frame sentence around it, but that does not happen because hello.
Hi, good afternoon, ma'am. How are you?
Good afternoon. I'm great, Mansi. You tell, how are you?
I'm also doing great. Thanks for asking.
Great, great. Nice to see you, Mansi. So, would you like to tell me something about yourself?
As you know, my name is Mansi Gola. I hail from Delhi.
And I'm also based in Delhi. Okay, and I've
Okay.
been working as an English teacher only for the past 9 years. And apart from that, I'm also an IELTS and a PTE trainer. Okay, so yeah. So, where are you based in Delhi?
Actually, I belong to South Delhi, but now we are in West Delhi.
Okay, all right.
And
Great,
you?
great. Same. I'm in Dwarka.
Okay.
Yeah. All right. Great, Mansi. So, how does your routine day look like? What do you do every day? How does it go? Tell me something more about yourself. You have so many things to do during the day. Great,
Yeah,
great.
my plate is full.
It's actually a lot of things that you are learning these days. But that's great, finding time for yourself and learning new skills. That's actually very important. And I think, these days, that is the best part of, internet and maybe the present time that we are in, that we can learn a lot of things. Like earlier, it wasn't. Earlier, we couldn't do so. But now we
Yeah.
can do that. So, really great. Okay. All right. And okay, so who is that member of your family with whom you are the closest with?
I'm close with my husband and with my mom, with my every family members. I'm very close, especially
Okay,
with my mom and with my husband. I'm so close.
okay, all right. And who is that person who is the funniest person in your family or in your friends who makes you laugh even in the serious situation?
My both of the sons, they are very
Okay,
funny. Whenever I'm
okay,
so serious, they say something and I start laughing on that.
okay,
Yes, yes.
all right. And how old are they?
My younger son, he will turn 6 on 28th of August, and my elder son is 10 years old. Now
Okay.
he's sleeping. Could you please give me a second?
So yeah, so you were telling me about the how they create funny situations for you to laugh at.
Yeah, sometimes if I'm very serious, if I'm doing something on sitting on floor, and when I get up, at that time, if I hold sofa for getting up. So they make fun of me. Mama, you are so healthy. You can't stand up on your own. You are taking help of sofa. So in this,
Huh.
they say these lines in a very funniest way, so that I can start doing yoga and all. Because of them, I started doing yoga again. And
Okay.
because my younger son, he is 5, he tells me every time, Mama, why don't you start doing yoga and why don't you join gym? He tells me. He's very young. So he's very small. So I started working on me again.
Okay, that's great. All right. And do you look for the quality of a good sense of humor while talking to people or while making friends?
I'm very choosy about making friends. I don't like
Huh.
people who just love to waste their time in gossiping and backbiting. I don't like these
Okay.
type of people. So I don't love to talk to these type of people. I just I just love my own company. I just love being with my family also. So I love to spend time with myself. I have so many friends with whom I talk, not on the regular basis. Sometimes I feel like then I make calls and just start talking.
Hmm.
So yes,
Okay. All right. Okay. And do you like watching any funny TV serials or shows or movies?
I don't watch TV
No.
anymore. No,
No shows, no movies, nothing
no.
at all.
Whenever I feel like watching something on social media, I don't watch anything related to web series or a serial or anything. There
Hmm.
are few channels which I love to watch them to
Hmm.
get something from them because they are very good in managing home, or there are so many YouTubers, they are like like helping others. So I love to watch these type of content, like sometimes, not every time. Otherwise, I love to listen spiritual song, and this way I just pass my time. I don't do anything else. Mhm.
Okay, all right. And
Do you
any
do you watch any movie or any serial on the regular
these
basis?
days, no, actually, not at all. Rather, even
Mhm.
for I don't even remember actually when was the last time I saw something on TV or any movie or
Mhm.
anything.
Yeah,
Nothing at all now.
same here, same here. I
Yes.
watched, if I talk about my last movie, that was the Kashmir File. Kashmir File.
These days,
If you know.
we hardly get time to go to theaters or watch any movies.
Hmm. Actually, I don't like it. I feel like after some time it will be on TV, so why should we go? I
Yes,
feel like this.
but it seems like too much of an effort to go to the movie theaters now. And another reason,
Hmm.
why do you think we do not go to watch watch movies in theaters anymore? We, as in
If I
like
talk
general
about, I
people.
don't have this habit to waste my
Mm-hmm.
money because I come from a very middle class family. So I
Mm-hmm.
know the value of money. So in this way, I don't want to waste my money because when we earn, like now I'm earning money, so I know how much time, how much energy I need to put to earn 1 rupee, one single rupee. So I can't waste it in a minute or in a second. So I don't have that much money to waste. And if I talk about wasting, so I can have something with that money. I can feed someone, or we can have fun in family. Like after watching that, what I get? Nothing.
Yeah,
So I don't want to. Yeah,
true.
sometimes I feel like watching movie or anything. I can't sit properly to watch movie for 3 hours or 4 hours. I don't have that
Yeah.
much patience. I'm not patient enough. Patient enough. Is it right?
No, I do not have that much of patience actually. Okay,
Okay.
because when we say patient, right? So
That has
then
money.
yes, so it means like you're ill or something because
Okay.
the
If
word
I say
patient
I
has
don't have
different
patience,
meanings.
I don't have
Yes,
patience. But one
I
tutor
do
was
not have
telling me
that patience. Okay, simple.
impatient. Is it correct? Impatient.
Yes, impatient is correct. Or simply say I do not have that much patience to sit around for 3 hours or so in the movie theater.
Okay. So I don't have that much patience to sit for a long time to watch any movie. So I can't do it. I have
Hmm.
kida inside me, so I can't sit still. I love to do something or the other. I can't
Again,
sit
we do not.
properly.
I do not have Kira inside me. That sentence. What does it make sense? Nobody has any insect inside them.
How do
Okay.
you say
So
that?
frame it in a better way that I like to indulge in more meaningful activities, right?
Okay.
So let us say, for example, we are talking that why we if now these days we are not going to movie watching anymore. So simple, okay. That first thing, I really find it a waste of money, okay,
Okay.
because now
Yeah.
these days everything has really become expensive. There are the lifestyle expenses have gone up. Okay, cost of living is too high. Plus, watching movie now these days has become really costly affair. Okay, very honestly, it's the snacks and everything that you get over there, they are very costly. So watching a movie is now a very costly affair. Secondly, I do not have that much patience to sit around and watch the entire movie. Okay, I find it more meaningless. I wouldn't say that we do not have that patience, but maybe the content is not that interesting. First of all,
Yeah.
okay,
Hmm. Yes.
so I would say that the movies are not that interesting these days. So it's not worth watching. Watching or
Yeah.
sitting
Have
for
you
three
heard
hours.
about Have you heard about Sayyara movie?
Yeah, these days it's a lot of praise about that movie, but
Yeah,
somehow even I
Netflix
am
are
not interested.
so
You want
crazy
to go
about
there?
that. They are
You want to go
crying,
and watch that movie?
they're killing themselves. I don't know what is happening these days. So
Yes. So
that's why.
yeah, so simply first of all, we cannot relate to the movies that is being shown these days. Right. Secondly, you
Mm.
can say that I'm interested in doing more meaningful activities. Okay,
Yes.
like spending time with my family, learning something new, developing some personal skills like that. You can say. Okay. Give me a
Okay.
second. There's someone at the door. Just give me 1 minute.
Yes.
So frame it that way. And when you are making, when you are saying 2 3 points, use words like firstly, secondly, thirdly. Okay.
Okay.
Additionally, I like to do some activities which are more maybe uh, which are more learning or intellectual, or I can gain something out of it, right? For entertainment also, I like to find some other ways of entertainment. Okay,
Okay.
movies are purely for entertainment, right? So now these days we have plenty of other things for entertainment, I guess. No, phones are there, screens are there, so like that you can develop your answers. Okay,
Mhm.
so use connectors in between when you are talking about the same thing and you are adding different ideas into it. Then use connectors, words like
Okay.
firstly, secondly, thirdly, additionally. Okay, moreover, that makes your conversation more meaningful.
Hmm.
Okay, and ideas well connected. Okay, yeah, and when you are talking in English, think in English and frame sentences directly in English. So think in English. If you are not able to think exactly, sometimes happen you have that some sentence in your mind or some idea in your mind and you're trying to frame sentence around it, but that does not happen because probably you do not have some that vocabulary to support that idea maybe. Then frame your sentence in a different way.
Okay.
Okay, yeah. All right. So, do you think that laughter is the best medicine? Why or why not, according to you?
Yes, of course. When we start laughing, at that time we forgot our all problems and all tensions from our mind. And if I talk about my experience of laughing, so whenever I am with my mom, and if we are going anywhere, so if like I don't know why we start laughing all together and without having any reason, and we can't control our laugh at that point. So we take lots of time to control our laugh. So in this way, we have a good quality time spent together, and we don't remember our tensions and our problems and anything. We enjoy that laughter, and after laughing, we just go home, and the whole way we just talk about that laughter only.
Okay.
I have this bad habit to laugh loudly, so I also can't control my laugh. I also have this habit.
Yeah. Okay. So it's your mother with whom you laugh the most.
With my mother, I laugh the most, and with my like family, like I
Hmm.
laugh a lot. But with my mom, this is something else. Like that is a
Okay.
very big laughter when
Okay.
we start. Oh yeah.
Okay. All right. And any funny movie that you probably watch and you like to watch again? Any comedy movie or any funny movie?
Comedy movie. I think so. That was Akshay Kumar's movie. I
Okay.
don't know. I am very
Hmm.
bad in remembering the name of movies. I don't know. Sorry, I can't tell.
Uh, okay.
Mhm.
All right.
But if I talk about
And
my favorite actor of movies,
hmm,
like comedians movie, that is Akshay Kumar only. I
okay.
usually like
Yeah.
Akshay Kumar's movies if I find them funny.
Yeah. Yeah. But I do not remember. However, I do not remember the name of any
Mhm.
particular movie. And can you recall any incident, any particular incident or any situation when you really laughed a lot?
I really laugh a lot. I think
Sometimes yes, it's usually happen that you're every day you have some incidents, right? But sometimes
I
it
think
happens that there was one particular
actually
incident you still remember as like that.
day before yesterday, I and my husband we both were going to the doctor. I have some problem in my throat. At the time, I had some problem in my throat, so we were going to the hospital, not hospital, to the doctor, and I was riding the bike, and suddenly one car came in front of me. I got scared, and my husband saying, "You are riding or you are doing what? So let me ride.
Trembling.
Otherwise, you will like seriously have to go to the hospital. So let me ride." So I was saying like only because of you I'm doing this. You are sitting here. That's why I'm doing it. So at that point we laughed a lot, and he was saying you didn't accept it that you become nervous or scared. That's why you were doing that, but you are just debating on that, cause of you. So we had a good laugh at that time.
Okay. Has it ever happened that somehow you mistakenly laughed in at a situation where you are supposed to be quiet?
Yeah, it happens a lot. It happens a lot. Usually it happens with my father. So
Okay.
sometimes he's very serious. And after seeing his face, I start laughing. And when he asked,
Okay.
"Why are you laughing? You don't have mind. You don't use your mind." And I still, my father is saying all these things, but still I'm laughing at this point. So I love that moment.
Yeah. Yeah. And sometimes, especially during our classes, in school time, it used to happen a lot. No, the teacher is
Yeah.
teaching very seriously,
It used
and
to happen
there
with
is
you also?
some. Yeah, it's always there in every classroom. No, so sometimes the classes are going on. The teacher is teaching very seriously, but then there's always one or two children who will end up doing something that makes everybody laugh in the class. Some phrases around laughter when you say that I laughed really, so you want to express that it was a really good laughter that you had. So you can say I burst out laughing. Okay. So I
Burst
I
out.
really burst out laughing at that
Burst
point.
out.
That
Okay,
means
okay, yes, I got it.
laughing
I
really
burst
loudly.
out.
So
Hmm.
burst out laughing. Okay. Or laughing hysterically when you cannot just stop. Okay. So you laugh uncontrollably. Sometimes it happens. So laugh. I laughed hysterically. Okay. So sometimes when I go with my mom, we have this habit of laughing hysterically. That means unstoppable or uncontrollable, like you were saying.
Okay.
Okay. I cannot control it. Okay. And you can also say crack up. Okay, so sometimes my children
Crack
say
up.
some funny things and I really end up cracking up. Okay, so
Crack
these
up.
are phrases
Okay.
that you can use. Okay, crack up
Okay.
or laugh fit to burst. Okay, laugh fit to burst means an overwhelming laugh that seemed like as if someone will really explode. Okay,
Hmm.
that means. Then some other words that you can use related to that. Okay, when you are trying to express, so you can say belly laugh. ओके जैसे हंसते हंसते पेट पकड़ लिया या जैसे हम कहते हैं ना कि
Very laugh.
हंसते हंसते
Okay.
पेट दर्द होना शुरू हो गया बेली लाफ ओके
Overwhelming.
एंड रोर मींस some people really laugh very loudly okay वो how and why it happens so sometimes in parties you'll see some men okay that when they start laughing they actually they laugh so loudly that everyone in the hall can almost hear them. Okay, so it's a roar sometimes. They roar out. Okay,
Hmm.
then giggle. Giggle
Giggle.
are
Yes.
like when kids do that in the class. So when the
Yes.
teacher is
Giggle.
trying to teach, but something happened, the teacher mispronounces some words. Okay, and
They
then
start
the
giggling.
the kids start giggling around, right? So they
Hmm.
try to suppress